Okay, our next scientist that we're going to will be in 1933. So we're going to talk a little bit about Thomas Hunt Morgan. Now, you've heard me mention Thomas Hunt Morgan when we went through sex-linked traits. So this is his contribution to DNA history. So Thomas Hunt Morgan did work with fruit flies in the genus of Drosophila. And what he found out is that there are two variations, there are two alleles for eye color. There's red and white, and red is dominant to white. But what he noticed was that in the offspring of the F2 generation, he did not have his normal 75% red to 25% white. So it did not completely follow Gregor Mendel's 3-to-1 ratio of dominant to recessive. But instead, what he found is that the majority of the females had red eyes, not all of them had red eyes, and that the males were the ones that were likely to have the white eyes, the recessive. In fact, 50% of them would have the recessive eye color. So his contribution is the discovery of this X chromosome, this sex chromosome that not only determines your gender, but it also carries genes for other traits. Now, there's also a video here about the fruit flies. And then on Nearpod, I'm going to post this genetic problem for you to work out and present your results.